This is the belt diagram for the Craftsman T1600. Other matches could potentially include the Craftsman T1500, the T1700, the T2600, the T140, and the T150. Just be sure to follow this pattern whenever you're putting the belt back on. Also keep in mind, whenever you are taking those bolts out, be sure to lubricate each one of those bolts. They are rusted and can snap on you. I've done multiple videos on this in the past. It is an issue. If this has become an issue for you and your belt guards are all mangled up like mine, I'll put a link down in the description below for brand new ones. So be sure to check that out. Don't forget to use your 3/8 inch socket to take these bolts out. But anyway guys, I'm sure you just came here for the belt diagram. It's at the very beginning, so you didn't have to weed through the mud through the weeds. You know. Take care, God bless, love you, like and subscribe. Bye.